Okay, I'm just going to show some general operating procedures of this Hasen. I had a little trouble with my heater. This unit did in fact get nice and hot, but the wires at the end here apparently shorted and just tripped a breaker is all, but my heater is shot. But it's still warm, and you can see here we're at 66 degrees, 65 degrees Celsius for that heater. Okay, the operation, again, let's go to the home screen here. We're E-stopped. I'm going to give it power, and we'll set our speed, 50 bags a minute. This is the bag length. Let's turn registration off for now. And if we go into timing, we set our times for all of our outputs. And these outputs, this is for scale interface I discussed. But let's go ahead and run this. Let's turn it to empty for now. Okay, so you can see our pole belts, and here's our registration roller. Yeah, that one's going. Okay. Now these two little lights right here represent the pole belt and the registration roller. That's the signal going from the PLC, which generates the motion profile, through the relay and then into the two drives. Here's the servo drives that then run the servo motors. Okay, so they should both come on about the same time and off about the same time. Now the pole belt, this one could stay on slightly and it'll tighten up the film a little bit. These are all circuit breakers. This is the main. I believe this is servo 1, servo 2, and the heaters, which I've turned off because they tripped. And this is the DC power, which there's the transformer or the power supply for that. Fuses for the 3 heaters, the master relay. These relays are for the scale interface and the tracking motor. Okay, and then you've got all the connections here for the field wiring. And power coming in is over here. Okay, so that's everything. I've got my Allen Bradley software running here, so I can debug what's going on. I'm programming the, let's stop this for a moment. Programming the touch screen only requires an Ethernet connection, and you give it an IP address in Windows Explorer, and you can go in and make edits. So it's kind of user-friendly from that standpoint. Okay, I think that's all for now.